Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Mix the Mower Man. How you doing? Nice to see you. Riley, we're in so much trouble.
What is it?
We've bought a few mowers, haven't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you think Mummy's going to like it?
Yeah.
Or love it?
I love it.
She's going to love it. We're in trouble, people. We've just been down to our local dealer.
Hey, my pizza.
You're right yet. We've been down to our local dealer in Brighton, who I haven't heard from him for a good couple of weeks. I was just starting to mend it, man, the other day. I've not heard from him. Maybe he's got another buyer that buys the mowers and at a better price, because I don't give him a lot for the mowers, not a lot at all. The stipulation is I'll give him a fair price, what I think is fair for a scrap mower, as long as the mower is complete. It has to be complete. There has to be all there. Grass bag, the flaps, the wheels, the lot. Has to be all in condition. I don't take no rust. If there's no grass bags, I'll give him a reduction in price. It's as simple as that. However, we've been down to pick up some mowers today, as I say. I took the brand new Mixed Mowers trailer and I filled it up to the hilt. So in a little tiny Astra van and a 6x4 trailer, I had 13 mowers on there, strapped down and towed them back to Bognor Regis. So Mrs. P is going to go absolutely bonkers when she sees all these mowers in the garden. But it's what it is. She knows it's what I do. And we make good money during the season. And now's the time, in my opinion, for me to buy. Because no one's buying no mowers, so now's the time to buy them. People's mowers are breaking down, they're getting rid of them cheap and what have you, and I think, oh, do you know what, we'll just wait till next year. Now's the time. So I've got 13 here. I've probably got about 60 mowers total in the yard, and also I've got a gentleman up in Epsom Way. He wants to sell me another 30 to 40 mowers on top. So I've got loads and loads and loads and loads coming in. I am the mower man. It's as simple as that. So what we do today, quick little unload, show you what I've got, and that's that. And then the next video, I'll get some carburetor spray, some petrol, and we'll just try and fire a few up that we can physically fire up. Some have got pull cords missing, what have you, bits and pieces, but the ones that I can literally get to fire up, I want to diagnose if there's any terminals, if there's any bent crankshafts, that sort of stuff, because that's the risk you take when you buy mowers out of a recycle centre, is that there is quite a good percentage of bent crankshafts that come out through this lot. So if they are, I need spare engines, donor engines to put straight on them. But pretty much all of them are home user grade. But there's one or two little tiny currents in there that might, if I can just sell one of these mowers, one of the three. You got the eye?
Yeah.
If I can sell one of the three, that's my money back for the entire job lot. It's as simple as that. So that's cool. If this is the first time I'm watching Mixed Mowers, don't forget, hit the old subscribe button and whack the old bell. Yay! That way you'll be told when I've done a video or two on my Saturday night weekly live stream, which starts at 6:30 PM UK time. So without further ado, let's get down and dirty and let's check out this nice little job lot of 13 mowers that I've got that Mrs. P is gonna go mad. Right, as I just said, got some lawnmowers coming in. Nana.
What?
Now, listen to me.
I'm listening.
Mrs. P is at work.
Yeah.
I've got a prime opportunity here to get lawnmowers in
and hidden
before she comes home.
Right.
Now, we have to work as a team here.
We do?
So these lawnmowers were here last week. Deal?
I don't think she'll buy that.
I'm not worried about buying it, but we've got to sell it.
Yeah, I know.
Right, so you're on board. If she finds out, I know where she got it from. Right.
I bet
Riley won't spill the guts. He knows too well. So a quick little look at this then. Let me show you what I've got on the old trailer and on the van, and we'll have a quick little look as to what we have got, and I'll get them out one by one and show you. So yeah, here's my neighbour Bob on the old channel, Bob. So check out Mixed Mowers. I know you're subscribed, are you? You haven't got YouTube, have you?
No.
You ain't got YouTube, but I'll show him it anyway. So quick little look at the old lawnmowers, and we'll go from there. Right. Branding is everything, as we all know. So just been down the old road. Got quite a few on here. I've got about 6 or 7 on here, and on the back, next to me, Project Man sticker and my Retro Restore sticker that I got mugged off because Martin and Gary decided to do a bit of self-branding. Cheers for that, fellas. In here, about 5 or 6 in here as well. Nice little hater, found that right at the very end. So we've got all of those. And I've got all of this here, some Mountfield 414s. I think there's a haterette in here as well. Hiya, buddy. Yeah, you coming, are you? Righto, mate. Oh, right away, don't miss out on nothing. Manfield 414s. I don't even know what that is down there. No idea. Cheapos on top. You've got loads. I think in total about 14 or 15 mowers, something like that. So what I'll do is I'll get you all set up, and then I'll drag them out one by one, and we'll have a little look, see what we have got. But there's one in the back here which is proper, and I think if it's okay, if it runs, the one mower in the back here will pay for this entire lot and profit as well. So yeah, super happy. So that's cool. Should we check the old post box first, Riley? I'll check the old post box. You put your shoes on, are you? You're on the wrong feet. Look, you put your left on your right on your left. You need to sort that out. Let's check the old post box first. See if we've got any mail coming. I'm waiting for some parts. Oh, we have. Bit of post. Let's check that. See what we've got coming. Put the old key back. Self-branding is everything. What we got here? Let's check the old mail. Don't want to show my address. 1 bill, 2 bills, 1 from Mummy, 1 for me and all. Oh, cool. That's cool. So I've got 1 for me, which I think actually is going to be my. I've got a Vauxhall Astra. Yeah, Vauxhall Astra part here it is. Yeah, that's for my Vauxhall Astra part there. I've got a wing mirror to do because it's broke. So, right, let's get you all set up. You coming with me, Riley boy? You got your shoes on the right feet this time? Yeah. Right, good.
Hold it.
No, you can't hold it, mate, because your camera skills are worse than mine.
Daddy.
Yeah.
I'll show you.
You show me what? Come on.
I'll show you.
Go on, you show me. Round you go.
What do you mean?
Let's go down the bottom of the garden.
What do you mean?
Let's go down to the bottom. Still got loads of mowers in. Loads in. Some haven't sold, you know, this year, but they will next year. Got a trailer up for sale, my old trailer. So I've got a BG 86C steel streamer coming as well. Got to do that at some point. Here's my pimp me mower you saw the other week. Right, let's get you set up. And then what we do is I'll get them in one by one. Bit of time lapse, bit of funky music, and then we'll go from there. I expect Rider Boy to come and get in the way and have a song and dance with us. So let me go and get these mowers. Come on, Riley. Come on. Right, 13 mowers all in all. Super happy with that, okay? I have noticed I've got 2 extra grass bags as well, which is an even bigger bonus because I've got the 2 extra grass bags I got will fit 2 other machines which I've got elsewhere within the store. So, quick little walk through, see what we have got, and then I'll save the best till last, or nearly the best anyway. But overall, super happy. Got a massive long line full of mowers. That's what we like to see. So the first is Haterette Briggs & Stratton Quantum on top, the older style one. Yeah, carbs there, that's all there, that's good. They sell for really good money. Got a little web with an overhead valve Briggs, so that shouldn't be too much drama. A little Murray, cheap as chips, you know, sort of 50, 60 quid mower all day long. They tend to sell quite well with little gardens around my area. A little SP 180 self-propel with an overhead valve Briggs. What's that on there? A little Mountfield 18 inch, which is quite nice. Flathead Briggs, and that's power drive also. Little Mountfield 414 with a grass box, push mower, RS100. I've got 1, 2, 3 of those, which is brilliant because these sell really, really well in my area, so happy with that. Little Flower Beast, that's out of Lidl's, I think. Looks to be all there. Little tiny push mower, nothing to get too super excited about, but it doesn't look that old. How old is that one? We've got a date on it. We've got a date on it anyway. Does anyone see a date on it? I'm not seeing a date on it yet. No idea. I'll check the engine for a date though. This one spotted right at the last minute. Hater Harrier 41 electric start power drive. That one, if that one's sold, that one will pay for the entire job lot. Okay, and to be fair, even if the Haterette sold for the money that's entitled to once it's been cleaned up, I mightn't change the engine yet, not decided yet, depends how the engine runs. That will also pay for the entire job lot too. If I sold 2 Mountfield 414s, that would pay for the whole job lot too. Picked up this, I'm not a fan, but it was complete, it was tidy. I thought, do you know what, it's worth a gamble. Little Hyundai machine, Chinese copy, 90cc, nothing special, nothing big to look at, but it should sell, you know. Another Mountfield 414, super happy with that. Power drive as well, so I've got 2 power drive Mountfield 414s, and I think I've got a spare gearbox in the shed for another drive, so I might convert one else to a drive as well. And here's the money, there's the money. A John Deere R47 RKB with a Kawasaki engine on top, so super happy I got that. There is a risk with this one because it is a commercial grade equipment. There is a risk that this one is actually no good at all. But for what I paid for it, the grass bag alone will pay for the money back, and I can just strip it down for parts. But it all looks to be there. Throttle cable's all there. The cables were pinched down in here as well, which is a shame. I've got, what's that there? What's that say? Start, stop. I've got no idea what that is. We'll figure it out. Throttle cable. That's probably some kind of rotor clutch, I dare say, something along that line. I need a bit of research into it. There's a tag here. It says, Mr. Burn. Mr. Burns, excellent. So that's what I've got. So all in all, super happy. 13 more mowers I need to try and hide. Oh, where am I going to hide my mowers? Where am I going to hide my mowers? I don't know how to hide mowers anymore. I think in total here, I've got probably about 60 mowers now. I want another 60 before the beginning of the next season. So what I intend to do is, all this lot here, anything that's too far gone, I'll take what I call the raisins and currants off of them, take all the good bits, and then it'll just be scrapped out, just damn the scrappy and gone. Funnily enough, I've already got a Hyundai bag there, so now I know if that fits that one, I know what lawnmower to look out for. It's always a bonus. Know what grass bags you've got in stock. Because if that one turns up for 10 quid with no grass bag, offer a fiver, got a grass bag in stock. So know what grass bags you have got. That's the most important thing. Because the grass bags, that takes a profit out of your mowers. Okay, if you haven't got a grass bag in stock, you're talking £30 just to get one. I know my mate Harry, he was on about Mountfield 414 grass boxes. He wanted one. I've got one there for that one. There's a spare Mountfield 414, and there's another spare Mountfield 414 as well, because they are like rocking horse poop. You can't get them. So I've got 2 spare Mountfield 414 grass boxes, but in my hoard, there's a Mountfield 414 just there. And if I come over to my mower store, which needs a tidy, I've got to tidy it all out. If I look in here, another Mountfield 414. Both of those had no grass boxes. I now have complete grass boxes. So now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I've got 6 Mountfield 414s, 6 of them. And just with a little tiny bit of spit and polish, all that stuff that Martin off a Retro Restore uses, the old Revive It, they come up like brand new. So all in all, Super, super happy. Let me give one more quick little burst of them. So there you go. I'm sweating, dragging all that lot in, absolutely wringing wet.
Me too.
I've got to now take the trailer back round to my garage, get rid of that. You can stay here with Nanny. You've got to finish your lunch yet. We've got the end of the late lunch.
I did.
Have you had any lunch, have you? What do you have?
Cheese straw.
Cheese straw.
No, pizza cheese straw.
Pizza, cheese straw.
Yeah.
Sandwich.
A chocolate bar.
Chocolate bar and a crispy.
Yeah.
You did very well
A
then.
clever.
You done a square one. You did well. You did better than me. So trailer back before Mrs. P gets home, and then when she gets home, everyone just act normal. Act like nothing's happened. I don't think she's even going to notice. I'll be like, yeah, there's in the store. I'm sorting through them and just dragging them out. It's not happening. We're getting more. So hopefully, as you just saw, some of the machines are really, really good. The only one that does concern me out of all of them is the John Deere. The John Deere is the one that is worth the biggest bucks if it all works. I have a suspicion there's going to be something drastically wrong with it. That's why it went to a tip, because people don't throw those sort of machines away unless there's something seriously wrong with it, like a bent crankshaft, gearbox is gone, or something along that line. So if it does work and just wants a carburetor clean, we are on it like a tramp on chips, and we're going to be in the money. But even just a grass box alone for that will pay for that, what I paid for that lawnmower, just if I sold the grass box on its own. It's as simple as that. So I'm not going to lose money, no way. So that's super, super cool. The next video you'll see of this little job lot, I might leave them where they are, and then tomorrow I'll come back down and we'll try and fire a few up, just to see if we get a few to run, and just so I can sort of put a little label saying, yeah, runner, needs this, needs that, terminal, and whatever. So, yeah, that sort of thing. So that'd be cool. If you liked the episode of Mixed Mowers, don't forget to hit the old subscribe button, whack the old bell. That way you'll be told one's on a video or two more on my Saturday night weekly live stream, which starts at 6:30 PM UK time. I look forward to the next episode of Mixed Mowers very, very soon. But until people, don't forget, much more importantly, take her easy.